Now that we set up all the divs and all the different regions within our template, we have to do one more thing before we can start creating web pages from this. Right now, everything's locked. If I were to go back and create a page from this, let me show you, everything will be, nothing can be changed. So if I create a new page based upon my template that I made, here's my new page. It doesn't allow me to type in here. What I want to do is I want to make this content area where I can change things. So I have to add what's called an editable region to this in my template. So back on my template, I'm going to click inside my content. And what else I'm going to do, I want the whole thing selected. The book will show you going to the edge and clicking on that. That should select and put like a blue box around this content area. The other thing you can do is click on the actual content on your status bar. That's my preferred method of doing this. Once you have the actual content div selected, go back into your insert and come on down to where it says template and select editable region. And this is where you can define a region that can be changed. You can leave the default name here, Editable Region 3. It doesn't really matter at this point in time. Click on OK, and it will show you the Editable Region 3 here. So if I click away, this is the area where I can change. I'll save my template. Now, when I'm ready to create the index page based upon my template, I'll close out of my template and go back to File, New, my new document. I want to go down to Site Templates. I'll choose Gallery. This is what it's going to look like, and choose Create. Now I'll be able to get into this area and make changes to this. So I'll save this as my index. Make sure it's not inside of any of these other folders. It's simply inside Gallery.